All right, so the first one was 3 2/10 times 4, which is like saying I have 4 groups of 3 2/10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tenths do I have? Well, 2, 4, 6, 8 tenths. And then how many ones? 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 and 8 tenths. Or I could have done a pictorial model of 4 groups of 3 2/10, which is the same thing, 12 and 8 tenths. Could also do the area model. So let's do that. 3 2/10 times 4, 4 times 3, and then 4 times 2/10. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2/10 is 8 tenths. So that's going to be 12 and 8 tenths. All right, let's go to the next one. 4 2/10 times 5. That's like saying 5 groups of 4 2/10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And add that up, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 tenths, which is 1 whole. And then add up the ones. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 more is 21. So 21. Could have drawn it out. 20 wholes, and then 10 tenths, which is 1 whole. So 21. Let's do the area model. 4 2/10 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2/10 is 1 whole, or 10 tenths, right? 5 times 2 is 10. 10 what? 10 tenths, because we're working with tenths. 10 tenths, which is 1 whole, which is going to give me 21. All right, let's look at number 3. The third one was 5 3/10 times 4. So that's 4 groups of 5 3/10. Add that up, 3, 6, 9, 12, which is 2 tenths and 1 whole, or 1 whole and 2 tenths. And then 5, 10, 15, 20, plus 1 more is 21, so 21 and 2 tenths. Or could have drawn out 5, 5, 5, 5, which is 20, 3 tenths, 3 tenths, 3 tenths, 3 tenths, which is 1 whole and 2 tenths, which is 21 and 2 tenths. Let's do the area model. 5 3/10 times 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3/10 is 12 tenths, which is 1 2/10. Just remember, we got to move that decimal over 1. So add that up. 20 plus 1 2/10 is going to get me 21 2/10. Okay, same thing in each one. The last one, 6 4/10 times 9. So that's 9 groups of 6 4/10. Here I just did it this way. It's a little easier this way, I think. But use that. If you added that up, 4, 6, that's 36. That's 36 tenths, which is 3 wholes and 6 tenths. And then 9 groups of 6, which is going to get me 54, plus my 3 ones is 57. So 57 and 6 tenths. Same thing here. 57 and 6 tenths. Let's do the area model just to suffice our curiosity here. 6 4/10 times 9, right? 9 times 6 is 30. So, oh no, it's not 54. Monday is getting me. I have allergy problems too. That's probably what's going on. It's clearly allergies. That's why I'm making these little mistakes. Okay, 54. And then 9 times 4/10 is going to get me, this is what I was thinking, 36. 36 what? 36 tenths, right? So 36 tenths. So I got to move my decimal over 1. 3 6/10. So just to make sure we're clear here, 36 tenths is the same thing as 3 wholes and 6 tenths, right? If we add this up, 54 plus 3 is 57. 57. So 54 plus 3 6/10 is 57 and 6/10. All right, there's your guided work.